It is windy today, but sometimes that's what happens in the spring. And wind or not, we're gonna try and make some West Coast bass fishing happen. So today, if you can't tell, we walked the bank to one of my favorite little spots here at Coyote. I was not expecting it to be this windy. So we got a little plastic rigged up spinner bait, which I'm kind of thinking might be the right call, because we got some stained water with all this wind, and then we got a square bill little crankbait. So we'll see what the deal is, and hopefully we can catch a few fish. And I apologize right now if the audio is absolutely horrendous, but gonna see what we can make happen. Got basically, the guy sneezes. Oh shit! Thing came out of nowhere. But what I'm trying to say is it's kind of late in the day, and we got, I don't know, good 3 hours probably till the sun sets. Yeah. And yeah, I'm hoping that maybe this wind dies, because I got a pretty exciting new bait that I'm trying to throw today. It's been spring. We've had some nice warm days, if you can't tell. A little windy in the afternoon, but I'm hoping that all this warm weather we've been having in the spring right now can get something fired up on the top, because that's what I got. I got a really exciting new topwater lure, and I'm thinking that with the lake a little low and the boats can't even launch out here, there could be some big fish that are really hungry today. All right. That's what we're going to be using. And I might have to say, the wind has actually let up. Took a little break. Give me a do and a chew while we were rigging up this whiplash. And maybe, just maybe, we can turn today into a fishing day. Every once in a while, them gusts show up in the last 5 or 10 minutes. So it still really hasn't turned into a calm evening. Just need a little bit of calm, you know? Just a little bit. Hoping the old do and chew can bring some good luck to an otherwise windy and unproductive afternoon. Now, one thing on these, I think it's a Quick 70, they have some tremendously sharp hooks. I've gotten them stuck on my bag already once, and it was a little bit of a pain to get it out, that's for damn sure. No need to change anything or worry that the hook ain't gonna get the job done. Oh, I think we're on. Yes, we are on. Let's go with the lipless. Where are you? Come on. I want this fish so bad. Oh yeah, this is good. Oh yeah. Come on in here, baby. Oh, you're barely hooked. There we go. Yes. Let's go. Lipless getting chunky fish. There we go. Woo! On the lipless. Let's go. That feels so good. Oh.